We start with the original equation. Log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of the quantity x minus 2 equals 3. Before we solve, we must find the safe zone. Log base 2 of x requires x greater than 0. Log base 2 of x minus 2 requires x greater than 2. The overlap is x greater than 2. Because there is a plus sign between the logs, we combine them into one log by multiplying the insides. Log base 2 of x times the quantity x minus 2 equals 3. Now distribute the x. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. So we get log base 2 of x squared minus 2x equals 3. Now switch to exponential form. X squared minus 2x equals 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we have x squared minus 2x equals 8. Subtract 8 from both sides to set the equation to 0. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. We need two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. So the factors are the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 0. Set each factor equal to 0. We get x equals 4, or x equals negative 2. Now check the safe zone. X greater than 2. 4 is in the safe zone, so it works. Negative 2 is not in the safe zone, so we cross it out. Final answer x equals 4.